any student can be an artist or anybody can be a creative person. Okay, that is a learning from me. If you learn something and you want to put it in the right way, I think that is what is the art all about.
Really taken up some other that inspiration from that our students. They have done it well, and with the help of the Imageminds, I'm very grateful to all of them. Thank you.
A presentation by the students, and of course it would have been not possible without the help of the Imageminds, and with their support and creative arts have been presented, and most of the robotic presentation was really taken up. It can be even used in a day-to-day life. Probably we will in course of time will encourage our students to practice at home as well as in the school, and we can arrange a mega event with a robotic also. I thank everybody who have been working through day and night to make this day a successful one.